Welcome to the Currency Index Market Report.
Good morning and welcome to the first market report for February from Currency Index. The month starts with a relatively quiet week this week in terms of data releases. There's nothing too important due out in the UK. A couple of interest rate decisions in Australia and also the UK, but that's a foregone conclusion for interest rates to be held here, so we don't expect huge amounts of volatility for the pound this week. Compare that to January, where of course we had a very busy month after the surprise announcements from the ECB, the Swiss National Bank, and of course the Greek election. So February is looking like it will likely be much quieter than January in terms of exchange rate volatility, but the events of January have left us with some very good exchange rates for sending euros, and also if you're sending Canadian dollars, the Canadian dollar is 6% cheaper than it was a month ago. The pound is also looking very good still against the Australian and New Zealand dollars. So generally, still excellent rates available for sending most currencies abroad. The US dollar is one exception. That does look like it's continuing to get more expensive. And indeed, we do have US employment figures out on Friday, which are the main data for the week for the US dollar. So elsewhere, a few bits and pieces due out this week, nothing too important. So exchange rates looking relatively stable. If you do have a transfer coming up, then give us a call at Currency Index and we'll happily give you a quote and let you know what's happening with your particular currency pair, and obviously check back our website later in the week for the latest updates as the week progresses.
Visit currencyindex.co.uk to save money on your next currency exchange, or call us today on 0800 043 2623.